Hey there, this is Richa from myfoodstory.com and today we're making one of my favorite recipes, chicken fajita quesadillas. Take some chicken thighs, add oil, fajita seasoning, salt and minced garlic. Mix this all up really well and let the chicken marinate for a few minutes. In a hot pan, add some oil and add all your chicken to it. We're just going to stir fry the chicken till it's nicely brown and cooked through from all sides. Add onions and chopped bell peppers and then stir fry the whole thing on high flame so that the onions and bell peppers are cooked through but not mushy. In another skillet, place your tortilla wrap and add about half a cup of the chicken filling. Add some Mexican rice on top and top this up with a lot of cheese. I like to use a mix of mozzarella and mild cheddar. Now flip this from the other side and here comes the tricky part. Oops, that's exactly how not to flip a quesadilla. Let's try that again. So use two spatulas so that you can support the quesadilla on one side when you flip it. Cook it till it's a nice golden brown and crisp on the outside and cheesy and juicy on the inside. Dip your quesadillas in a lot of sour cream and that's the best way to have them.